Jain Savak Sangh briefing about the Samohik Bhikshudaya. Bhikshudaya is a concept in which a person enjoying luxuries in daily life cannot leave his family comforts and become a monk for the whole life. Therefore, Jain community has brought out a golden opportunity for such people to lead a life of a monk for a day. Samohik means collectively, Bhikshu represents monk, Sadhu, which means a person who is not concerned about his materialistic comforts of life. Daya represents kindness to everyone. Samohik Bhikshu Daya is performed by a group of people consisting of many high-profile CEOs of various companies, businessmen, professionals, doctors, engineers, etc. People from various parts of the country join for this noble cause to understand the state of mind and soul and giving a message to everyone in this world that there can be happiness only by way of peaceful means. The day starts from morning 7 a.m. with Prarthana, morning prayers, till 9 p.m. at night, completing the day with Pratikraman, asking for forgiveness to every living being in this world, taking an oath for such 13 hours to lead the life of a Jain monk for the day. Dressed in white, which is called Cholpata and Dupatti, a mask is being put on the mouth called Mupati. During the day, bhikshus learn to break the barriers of worldly attachments and desires so as to assist in the liberalization of the soul, because every living being on the earth suffers from various obstacles and pain due to his wrongdoings in the past. In order to safeguard our future, bhikshus are taught not to cause harm to any living being. Sometimes, even while speaking the truth, it could lead to violence. Hence, bhikshus are preached to remain silent. Samayika is performed, which is a type of meditation in order to gain internal control of thoughts as they influence behavior, action and goals. They are taught the importance of brahmacharya by refraining from indulgence in sexual activity in order to gain control over the senses. Mobile phone, fans, AC, etc. are prohibited during this time. All the bhikshus under the guidance of Pujya Gurudev go door to door in search of food, which is called bhiksha. The boxes in which they carry food is called patras. Food collection in patras is called gochuri, is being consumed at the prayer hall, and even a single piece of grain is not wasted or thrown in order to safeguard the interest of people who are in need of food. Footwear is prohibited for the day even at extreme climatic conditions in order to pay respects to all those animals whose skin is being torn out mercilessly and used in making such footwear. The day ends with Pratikraman asking for forgiveness to every living being in the world and taking oath not to harm any living being on this earth during his lifetime. Paying tributes to the Lord is their last core, and taking blessings of Gurudev, they leave the prayer hall to their respective homes and complete a day leading a life of a monk. Thank you.